Today we will make a face pack with the best fruit of winter. Earlier we have made some face packs with orange peel, but today we will use orange juice. We all like oranges in winter. Orange is very popular with us as we all like more or less DIY homemade remedies. So let's talk about some benefits why we chose orange as the special ingredient of this face mask. Orange juice acts as a natural skin toner that can help remove excess oil and tighten the skin pores, and a skin brightening agent that can help in improving your skin tone and its natural glow. We will take one small bowl of orange juice to make today's face pack. If you need more, you can take more juice, keeping the ratio same as shown. Now we will add 1 teaspoon of honey. It is a natural moisturizer which provides deep nourishment to our dry skin. It will also help you to get glowing skin by reducing tan, dark spots and pimple marks. Now we will add Multani Mitti, the very ancient ingredient that has been helping our skin naturally. We have chunks of it, but you can buy the powder from the market. We need 1 to 2 spoons of this fuller's earth. Then mix all the ingredients together. Our goal should not be skin whitening, but our goal should be spotless, soft, makeup-free, healthy, glowing skin. Just adding too many ingredients may not give you good results. Rather, some good ingredients with right choice would be more effective. Now you apply it on your face and wait until it dries. Then wash it off with cold water. Try this simple remedy will give you beautiful skin naturally.